Here we go, guys.
The following is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring from South Korea, weighing in at 400 pounds, Flyboy Fisherman.
The feeling, the electricity in the arena right now is unlike anything I've ever felt in quite some time. This match is gonna be good.
All right, I love this guy.
Representing the Mega Powers from South Korea, weighing in at 276 pounds.
If you listen to After the Bell this week, you know this is a match I've wanted to see for quite some time, and it's almost time to start.
Now this is a superstar coming into this one with a major chip. Cover here. Not much behind that pin attempt.
Trying to catch him off guard with that attempt.
Big impact.
Good gravy, what a body block.
Rolls through. Oh, man.
That was creative.
Stomping down. Counters.
Raw is where everyone on the roster dreamed of being the first time they stepped into a ring.
This is the payoff for all the hard work. Cuts it off. Oh, elbow caught him right on the bridge of the nose. Ooh. And what he's looking for here looks like a potential submission. A single leg camel clutch and a great counter.
Looking for more damage here. Release back suplex. Ouch. There's a lot of hard ways to land, but that might be the hardest.
Sent into the corner. Wicked clothesline.
Carefully measured knee drop.
Ooh, one step ahead there. Oh, my God. Taking out the knee.
Oh, man.
That'll destroy your ligament.
dropping right onto the arm.
Watching like a predator with wounded prey. He's as good as done here.
Oh, he had that scouted. And he exits the ring.
Better watch the count.
Boom! Did you hear the impact? Hooked him up. And a suplex. At this stage, he's endured plenty of big attacks.
And now is the time to dig deep, to start tapping into your stamina reserves.
Boom! Guys, this might actually end in a countout.
Back in the ring.
It is his time to take care of business.
Countered right when it was needed.
High-level ability being shown with each of these counters.
One step ahead there. Rapid fire.
He might actually get the win here.
No, he punches the shoulder before three.
He's determined to keep this matchup going.
Oh, look at just ripping at the eyes.
There was no issue with that attack. Hey, sometimes desperate times call for desperate measures. Who are we to judge?
Right to the throat. Ooh. And he's really being relentless right now.
Yeah, this is exactly what he hoped for.
Really continuing to take a beating in this match.
Taking on so much offense, you gotta worry about the lingering effects. One more big blow there.
Every strike more devastating than the last.
Rolling thunder. This could be it. He could win it all here. Kicks out.
How in the world did he kick out?
Drop kick from behind. Climbing to the top. What's he have in store? Top row.
Harlem hangover. Sucker.
Makes a cover. Amazing.
He's taking some serious hurt, but somehow he's still in this. I think he managed that kick out on pure instinct alone.
That was the best weapon in the arsenal, but it wasn't enough to produce an end result.
This is dangerous territory for both athletes. The ring apron.
Are you kidding me? Off the apron to the floor. And he's basically defenseless right now.
It seems like he has no way to escape here.
And he's still finding the energy to remain on the attack.
Do not count him out just yet.
And he gets delivered back into the ring.
From behind, back suplex.
Ah,
Nice agility.
And another.
he's got him in deep, deep trouble here.
Look out.
Now slingshot, guillotine, leg drop.
And he's just unloading mercilessly here.
This is what gives him power. Precision. Oh, this could be it. They could end it right here.
Barely kicks out.
What a match.
He knew what was coming there.
He's looking to get back in this.
He's trying to seize the opportunity to get back in the match. Rapid fire Samoan drop.
After all, it's soon. We could be seeing a submission here. Right now, he's looking for any way to break out of this, and he does.
Ooh, great anticipation.
Forearm gonna cut off the wind. Guillotine applied.
All the leverage and pressure staying on the neck.
The guillotine locked in. This is all. No,
That was an incredible.
time to flip it. Boom, switch.
And that'll keep him down for a long time.
And right into the cover.
Might end this.
He kicked out at 2.
You gotta be kidding me.
Surviving that maneuver is absolutely amazing.
That move has brought victory before, but not on this occasion. Might be time to think outside the box. We've got to acknowledge these fans, a packed arena, and we're hearing every single voice.
It is loud and it is mad in here.
Now with the cover.
That's gotta be it.
He kicks out at 2.
How? He's getting on his feet, vulnerable to what's coming next.
Uh-oh, forearm gonna cut off the wind. Guillotine applied. Just excruciating pain. There's no way you can sustain being in this submission much longer.
Get it locked in.
I didn't expect him to just let go. I don't know what he's thinking, but he needs to focus on the task at hand. That was disrespectful.
He might have him.
Got it. No, just a 2.
Incredible resiliency.
Boom. Read that one.
Arm control applied and a kick right to the midsection.
Ooh, targeting the leg there. He's pumped up, and so is this crowd.
Both superstars crashing and burning on the outside.
Ooh, tough hit to the legs.
Ooh, stinging kick.
Oh, and a stomp. Tossed back into the ring.
He doesn't have much time to get back in the ring.
That'll turn your lights out. He's completely on defense now.
He is really being taken to task here.
He's waiting for him to rise to deliver something devastating.
From the top.
Kick connects from the top.
Another ascent to the top rope. Harlem hangover. That's it.
Those are the worst kind.
Makes the cover. Finally got him. I can't believe this match is finally over. Here is your winner. Here's your winner after a truly intense match.
Those aches and pains are going to be a reminder of this win for days to come.